You might love your truck or SUV, but are you slowly killing it every time you refuel? Some of these mistakes happen every day at fuel stations, and you might not even realize it. Today, we're exposing 11 refueling habits that are silently destroying your diesel engine. Things even experienced drivers mess up. From mistakes that burn your injectors to habits that turn your engine into a ticking time bomb. So before you fill up again, stick around until the end. Because number 7 is something even seasoned diesel owners get wrong. Let's get started. Number 1. Overfilling the diesel tank. Overfilling your diesel tank might seem harmless, but it can actually cause serious problems. When you keep pumping after the nozzle clicks, excess fuel can spill or enter the vehicle's vapor recovery or emission systems. This can damage sensors, filters, and even the diesel particulate filter over time. Unlike gasoline, diesel expands when it heats up, so overfilling leaves no room for that expansion. This can lead to leaks and pressure buildup inside the tank. Always stop fueling when the pump automatically shuts off. It keeps your engine healthy, your wallet safe, and your vehicle running smoothly. Number 2. Running on low fuel. Running your car on low fuel might save a trip to the gas station, but it's not a good habit. When the fuel level gets too low, the fuel pump can overheat and wear out faster. Dirt and debris at the bottom of the tank can get sucked into the system, clogging filters and injectors. This can lead to poor engine performance and expensive repairs. You also risk running out of fuel unexpectedly, which can leave you stranded. In some cars, low fuel can even cause issues with the catalytic converter. It's always best to refill when your tank hits a quarter full. Keeping enough fuel in your tank helps your engine run smoothly and saves you from future headaches. Number 3. Using the wrong fuel grade. Using the wrong fuel grade in your car might seem like no big deal, but it can cause real problems over time. Every engine is designed to run on a specific octane level for best performance. If you use fuel with a lower octane, on the other hand, using higher octane fuel when it's not needed won't boost performance. Consistently using the wrong grade can lead to poor mileage and long-term engine wear. Always check your owner's manual or the fuel cap for the correct grade. The right fuel keeps your engine healthy, efficient, and running smoothly. So, fuel smart and drive safe. Number 4. Not cleaning around the fuel cap. Ignoring the area around your fuel cap might seem harmless, but it can cause serious issues over time. Dust, dirt, and debris can build up around the cap and fall into the tank when you refuel. This can contaminate your fuel system, clog filters, and even affect engine performance. A dirty fuel cap area can also prevent the cap from sealing properly. Keeping it clean helps maintain proper pressure in the fuel system and improves efficiency. It only takes a few seconds to wipe it before refueling. Simple habits like this can save you from expensive repairs later. So remember, clean cap, clean fuel, smooth drive. Number 5. Refueling with the engine running. Refueling your car while the engine is still running might seem convenient, but it's actually dangerous. Gasoline vapors are highly flammable, and a running engine increases the risk of sparks or fire. Even static electricity can ignite those fumes, leading to serious accidents. Modern fuel systems are designed to work safely only when the engine is off. Keeping the engine running can also confuse fuel sensors and trigger warning lights. Always turn off your vehicle before refueling. It's a simple safety step that protects you and others around you. Taking a few extra seconds to do it right can prevent costly mistakes. Safety first, always. Number 6. Never using fuel additives. Many drivers overlook the importance of fuel additives in their diesel engines, but that's a big mistake. Diesel fuel can form deposits, moisture, and even algae over time, which affect performance. Fuel additives help clean injectors, improve lubrication. Without them, your engine may suffer from poor mileage, hard starts, or costly injector damage. Additives also protect against corrosion and extend the life of your fuel system. They're especially useful for vehicles that sit unused for long periods. Using the right additive keeps your diesel engine running smooth and efficient. Don't skip it. Your engine will thank you later. Number 7. Skipping fuel filter. Skipping fuel filter changes in your diesel engine might not seem like a big deal, but it can cause serious damage over time. Diesel fuel often contains tiny particles, water, and impurities that the filter is designed to trap. When the filter gets clogged, it restricts fuel flow and forces the pump to work harder. This can lead to poor performance, hard starts, and even injector or pump failure. A dirty fuel filter can also reduce fuel efficiency and increase repair costs. Regularly changing it keeps your engine clean and running smoothly. It's a small maintenance step that makes a huge difference in engine life. Don't ignore it. Your diesel depends on it. Number 8. Refueling right after driving hard. Refueling right after driving hard might seem fine, but it can actually harm your vehicle. When your engine and fuel tank are hot, adding fresh fuel can cause it to evaporate quickly. This puts extra stress on your car's evaporative emission system. In some cases, it can even damage sensors or the charcoal canister. It's always better to wait a few minutes after parking to let things cool down before refueling. This simple habit helps protect your car and improves fuel efficiency. So next time after a long drive or highway run, give your car a short break. A little patience at the pump goes a long way. Number 9. Ignoring water contamination. Ignoring water contamination in your fuel system can lead to major engine trouble. Even a small amount of water in your fuel can cause corrosion, poor combustion, and power loss. In diesel engines, it can damage injectors and fuel pumps, leading to costly repairs. Water can enter through bad fuel, condensation, or leaks in the tank. Modern vehicles have water separators, but they need regular draining and maintenance. If left unchecked, water can mix with fuel and create sludge that clogs filters. Always check for warning lights or signs of rough idling and fix the issue early. Taking action against water contamination keeps your engine healthy and your ride smooth. Number 10. Using dirty or old fuel cans. Using dirty or old fuel cans might seem harmless, but it can seriously damage your engine. Over time, fuel cans collect dirt, rust, and moisture that mix with the fuel inside. When you pour that contaminated fuel into your tank, it can clog filters, damage injectors, and reduce performance. In diesel engines, it can even cause corrosion or injector failure. Always inspect and clean your fuel cans before use, and store them properly in a cool, dry place. Avoid using old or cracked containers that might leak or let water in. Clean fuel means a healthy engine and better mileage. So, take care of your fuel cans. The small details matter. Number 11. Refueling right after the tanker truck. Refueling right after the tanker truck has filled the station might seem harmless, but it's actually not the best idea. When a tanker refills underground fuel tanks, it stirs up dirt, rust, and sediment that settle at the bottom. If you pump gas immediately after, those impurities can end up in your car's tank. This can clog your fuel filter and affect engine performance over time. It's always smarter to wait a few hours after the tanker leaves to let everything settle. Doing so ensures you're getting cleaner, higher quality fuel. A little patience at the pump can save you from costly repairs later. Remember, timing your refuel can make a real difference. So there you go, 11 refueling habits that can quietly destroy your diesel engines. How many of these have you been guilty of? Be honest, drop it in the comments below. Drive smart, fuel right, and keep that diesel roaring strong. See you in the next video.